Hey Linux fans, Pop OS or Arch Linux in 2025, which distro is right for you? Let's break it down in 2 minutes, starting with a quick look at each, then a head-to-head comparison. First up, Pop OS made by System 76. It's Ubuntu-based, beginner-friendly, and shines with its cosmic desktop for a sleek, modern vibe. It's optimized for gaming, coding, and productivity with stellar NVIDIA driver support and a clean pop shop for apps. Perfect for users who want a polished out-of-the-box experience with minimal setup. Now, Arch Linux. It's a minimalist, rolling release distro for advanced users who love control. You build it from scratch, choosing every component with the Arch user repository offering over 60,000 packages. Its wiki is legendary, but expect a steep learning curve and hands-on configuration. So how do they stack up? For ease of use, Pop OS wins. Its intuitive installer and pre-configured setup make it ideal for beginners or anyone wanting to dive in fast. Arch demands hours of setup and Linux know-how, perfect for tinkerers. For customization, Arch is king. You tailor every detail from kernel to desktop environment. Pop OS offers flexibility but leans on its cosmic desktop, which might limit some tweaks. Performance, both are snappy on an i3-3110M with 8GB RAM. Arch can be leaner if optimized, but Pop OS's pre-tuned setup rivals it for most tasks, especially gaming with NVIDIA GPUs. Software availability, Arch's AUR has an edge with its massive up-to-date package library, but Pop OS's APT and Flatpak support cover most needs without the complexity. Stability, Pop OS follows Ubuntu's stable release cycle, while Arch's rolling updates can introduce bugs but keep you on the bleeding edge. Verdict: choose Pop OS if you are a beginner, gamer, or want a hassle-free setup for coding or daily use. Pick Arch if you're an advanced user craving total control and don't mind the setup time. Both are awesome. It's about what fits your vibe. Drop your favorite distro in the comments, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.